Okay, so for surface area, we're taking all of the faces and adding their areas together. So in this rectangular prism, I have this face right here. What's its dimensions? Okay, and how many of those are there? There's 2 faces that are 7 by 9. This face right here, what's its dimensions?
9 by 13.
Okay, 13 by 9, but there's 2 of them. And then there's 2 that are...
7 by 13.
There's 2 that are 7 by 13. This is the work I want to see. I want you to show me that you're doubling 7 times 9 plus 2 times 13 times 9 plus 2 times 7 times 13. Then put it in your calculator for an answer.
126.
Do we have an answer?
400.
Nope, it's not 400. Thank you, Micah. 542. And if we're talking about surface area, we're talking about square units. Green table. Yellow table. Augie. Okay. I don't feel like I need to do another one of those problems. Is that cool? Okay. So when we have a prism, I honestly could care less about this right here. What I want you to do is I want you to find me the area of each face and add it together. Okay? So when we have a prism, we always have 2 bases. So in this picture right here, we have 2 triangles, right? And then how many rectangles do we have? We have 3 rectangles. Okay? So, in our triangle, how do we find the area of a triangle? Okay, what is the base and height of our triangle? 9 and 12, because those are connected by the right angle box. Okay, then I have one rectangle that is 12 by 16. I have a second rectangle that is 15 by 16. And then a third triangle that is 9 by 16. Okay. Calculate away.
Wait, do you actually have to like write out all of the
So I like to see where your numbers are coming from. Oh, Jack Riley has the answer. Surface area. Is that a 732?
Why do you just work at that?
Okay, I'm getting 732 from an unnamed student.
I got 6.
I'm hearing a 684. Have you done this?
Yeah, so I'm this one. Oh, wait. Jack lied to me. Your calculator guy lies.
Calculator guy, always so good. I'm getting my own calculator.
He gave you one here? Somebody get it now. He said,
So here's the deal. I am getting questions about what you have to write down. I need you to write down this right here. That way I can see what you typed in your calculator. If there was a calculator user error, but you have the right setup, you get more partial credit than if there's a calculator user error and I don't know what you typed in and you get the wrong answer. Also, let's say you make a mistake and you're like, Miss Holman, what did I do? I don't know what you typed in your calculator because you didn't write it down. Okay? Find me the surface area of number 5.
It looks like different. I like look away. No, bro, it's like an optical illusion. No. I don't like the 3D shapes. No, I'm paying for it now, right?
Wait, I'm stupid.
Because you're wrong. You're wrong.
130.
I got 2.
Data, do you have an answer? I don't know. Data, do you have an answer?
That means you're wrong. It's 130.
I walked by a piece of paper that had the answer of 130.2.
Why didn't you use the 4.1?
I didn't split out the.
And there's 2 different triangles, and there's a height.
We have 2 triangles that are 1/2 times 4.1 times 12.
I did that times 5. Triangle is base. 1/2 times base times height.
Okay, eyes up here. We have 2 triangles. Hey, eyes up here. We have 2 triangles. That have a height of 4.1 and a base of 12. So here's my triangle doubled. And then a 10 by 3, a 12 by 3, and a 5 by 3 rectangle. Are we good with that?
Yeah.
Augie?
That's what I got.
I got well better.
Don't throw your friends under the bus when it's you.
132.0.
Okay, here we go. In number 6, we have a trapezoidal prism. So we have 2 trapezoids and how many rectangles?
4.
It's 4.
We have 2 trapezoids plus 4 rectangles. Okay, so for our 2 trapezoids, do you remember how to find the area of a trapezoid?
1/2
So, you know, it's really helpful that you're all yelling at me at once.
1/2 base times height.
There's no height.
That's wrong.
It's 1/2 height plus
Okay,
Height plus base 1, height plus base 2.
1/2 times. Whoever is watching this video is going to be like, whoa, that class is out of control. Augie, what's the height of the trapezoid? And then we have 2 bases. We have a base of 18 plus a base of 23.
cancel out the 1/2 and the 2 on the
Yeah, what?
outside.
Then we have 4 rectangles. What is the length of every rectangle? Okay, so we have a 20 by 15 rectangle. We have an 18 by 15 rectangle, a 12 by 15 rectangle, and a 23 by 15 rectangle. Put my marker away and stop bothering your neighbor. Thank you.
Oh no, it's hidden. Times 33.
No.
I know that's the right answer.
Aaron, what'd you get? What'd you get? Okay. 1,587. Let me see what you put in.
JC does not.
I put this in, but then there was
What did I get wrong? Not 25. Did you put it in wrong?
Okay, your order of Okay, so it's like this.
Austin, I don't think it equals 27,006.
You know what? Talk.
It's calculated. So there's your
yeah, I didn't get anybody
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, humans. Okay, your calculator is fancy. You have the parentheses on your calculator. You can type exactly like you see it. You can type in 2 parentheses 1/2 times 12 parentheses 18 plus 23 parentheses. You can do that in your calculator. What? This is the right answer.
You sure you didn't multiply? I don't know. If you're calculating. I'll figure it out.
Okay, raise your hand if you have misused your calculator when you've set up a problem correctly already today. What should that maybe tell you to do come test time?
Practice my calculator skills.
So I was thinking maybe like double checking. Like when you get an answer, maybe put it in again to see if you get the same thing.
It's right, and I got 2,682.
You didn't put it in right.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, you're right.
I put it exactly what I did.
I have 1 parentheses where I have 2.
Where do you have two? Oh.
Okay. I want to go to cylinders. Okay. Imagine for me, please. Imagine that I snip. I cut this cylinder and I lay this part out flat. What's it going to be? It's going to be a rectangle. Oh, that's terrible. Okay. It's going to be a rectangle. Now, I know that if this is the height, then this would be the height, right? But if I talk about the length of my rectangle, It's coming from the circumference, and we find circumference by 2 pi r. So, do you see this LA right here? No, lateral area. So it's basically the area that does not include the bases. So 2 pi r times h is your area of the rectangle that we cut apart and spread to get your lateral area. Okay, so what's going to happen is we're going to have the lateral area plus 2 circles. So when we find the surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r times h is our lateral area, plus we have 2 circles, pi r squared. So, what's our radius? 11. What's our height? 26. So we are going to take 2 pi times 11 times 26. That's our lateral surface area. Plus 2 circles. You can type this in all at once into your calculator.
What did I do wrong? Did your calculator use the wrong setting?
Wait, what is
Lateral area. Like the part of the can that you would hold. Like the not base sides.
Is it in radical?
I don't know, it says it on the board.
I think there's a user error.
Syntax error.
Might not just be. Oh, wait, I can just look on the board, Chase. Eyeball. You don't know what you're doing.
The area of a circle is
No, it's
pi r
that.
squared.
It's 2,500.
Well, we do circumference over here. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you able to get 2,557.3?
Chase. Look what's Chase doing. 380.
It's hard to know what Chase is doing because he has nothing written and he's doing things piece by piece by piece instead of putting it in all at once.
Come on, Chase, what are you doing? You're on
Okay.
760 right now.
I need you to find me the surface area in number 10. In number 10 is 15 the radius. Thank you. Did you get it?
No.
Wait, can't we just put pi since it's right here?
Yeah, dude, I got
That's how we can't just like take the 2 out.
Wait, so do you have to put multiply in like
No, it knows. Interesting. Isn't it easier to do?
Are you mocking the comments?
Wait, how do you get square?
Did you say this?
How do you do the square?
Oh, not mine. I'm not you, Chase. Which I don't know how to do.
777 point. Oh, it's supposed to be 7. That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't
Told you.
Why do you use break-in? This is 777.5.
What? For what? Really? That would be exciting.
Like, okay.
I mean, my suggestion is always going to be to do it all together, but if it works for you, you do what works.
Calculator, I plug in 7.5 squared times 5.
Okay.
And then I just, times 2. And then I'll multiply by that. So like that work?
If you use your calculator correctly, it's fine. I don't know. I haven't heard that.